Hello, it's recording. G'day YouTubers and Piddle Nerds, Luke here. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys my new desktop mice, however you want to say it. The SteelSeries Rival 300. Obviously you can see it was $99 on sale for $57. Before I get into unboxing that though, do me a favor. I did an unboxing video recently of my new desktop microphone, the Blue Yeti Blackout Edition USB powered microphone. I was previously using this thing here to do my videos. Look at the difference. This thing's powered by a 3.5mm jack, and that's the little microphone right there. This thing cost me $49.95. This was $177. I got this because I want to improve the quality of my YouTube videos for you guys. So I just outlaid the money after watching a couple of reviews on it. I did an unboxing and comparison to that and my desktop headset. So let me know down in the comment section whether or not you guys think the audio's improved, whether or not it's not much different. Please tell me it's improved. So anyways, on with the unboxing of the SteelSeries Rival 300. Comes packaged like so. Open it up. It's in there. It's got this protective foam thing on it for when that shuts. It is very light. I'm not really, and it doesn't have any weights that come with it. I'm not sure how I feel about that. And you might be saying to yourself, dude, you just did an unboxing like before Christmas of a mouse. Like, what happened to that one? I go through mice pretty quickly. Like, I've bought the Cooler Master Devastator keyboard and mouse combo. Before that, I bought the Thermaltake keyboard and mouse combo. This is the mouse from that. It's the Talon, and honestly, it works, but it's a little bit unresponsive, and sometimes it just fails. So I need a new one. My keyboards, like I had the Cooler Master, the Cooler Master Devastator, the Thermaltake Talon. They both died. The WASD on them, I went through them really quickly. I'm now using the Razer Ornata, or Ornata, however you say it. I bought that before Christmas. It's solid. This lasted a bit longer, but anyways, here's the mouse. I'm going to plug it in. Actually, you know what? Let me read the back here. Optical RGB illumination, which you'll probably see in a minute. 6,500 CPI. I'm guessing that means as much the same as DPI. 30 million clicks, we'll see. And 50G acceleration. All on the back of the box there. I've never used a SteelSeries product, so I'm excited to use this to see how long it lasts. See if it can stand up to the testing. Let me just plug it in here real quick. Out with the old, in with the new. So it's lit up. Oh, wait, what am I putting in front of the microphone for? It's lit up. Wonder, does this? Hello? How do you... Whoops. That's a sensitivity. I don't see... Does that... Well, that's it anyways. Let me... It works. I mean, it's pretty light, but it's pretty light, but it feels, it's got rubber grips on the side. It's got, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in this lighting. These buttons here, I use them for, what do I bind them to, I bind the front one to Melee in like first person shooters, and I have the second one when I'm running TeamSpeak or Discord. That's my talk button, so that, you know, like I've got my mouse here like this. So as you can see, like, got my mouse here. Whenever I want to talk, I just hit that button whenever I'm using like TeamSpeak or Discord, and then that front button's my melee. That way, my hands, like, I don't need to, you know, have to come over here and press one of these keys to talk or anything like that. So I think that's going to about do it for this mouse unboxing review. See if it stands up to the test of time. If I do another unboxing in a couple of months, I guess it wouldn't have. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Tell me what you thought of the audio quality of my new microphone. That's most important. Until the next one, bye bye. Hello? Stop.